Have you ever created so many drum parts and the track still doesn't make you shake your head? Then maybe it's not the quantity, but the rhythm of the whole part. Maybe you need to make sure that only a few drum parts remain, all the rest should be deleted, and those that are left to do in the same groove rhythm. Hi, my name is Axel, and in this tutorial I'm about to show you how to keep the groove consistent across your whole production, across all of the MIDI and audio tracks. This is an extract groove in Ableton Live. So firstly we have this top loop and hi-hat created in MIDI channel. And we want our hi-hat to create the same groove as the top loop. To do this, here's what we need to do. Select our top loop, right-click on mouse and select Extract Groove. Wait for the end. And now we have the groove of our top loop right here. Set the velocity value to 100. Now let's move on to our MIDI clip with our hi-hat. And all that remains to be done is to select our groove from the list, which we extracted from our top loop. Now our hi-hat sounds in the same groove as our top loop. You can also click on this button and see exactly how our hi-hat rhythm has changed. We can see that the volume level of each MIDI note has changed. So I suggest you try this method in your drum part when you need more groove. Alright, thanks for watching guys, subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and comment if you liked this video, and I will see you in the next ones.